Hello everyone, your favorite retired streamer, Wolfie here, coming at you with another one. Now, this one, it's actually going to be quite different. In this one, well, I'm going to go ahead and show you the stuff that I purchased over the holiday shopping sale for the Friday, and the Monday, the stuff that I purchased, the tech stuff that I purchased. I'm going to go ahead and open that up and just let you see what it is that I picked up, because there were a lot of sales out there, and well, I did snag a few things. Were you able to pick anything up, get anything that you wanted that was on sale? Hopefully you were. I was able to pick up a few things, and well, here we are making this video on it. Yeah, this one's a bit different than all my other videos. I don't think I do things like this all that often here, but yeah, let's go ahead and check out the stuff that I managed to get on sale. Alright, so we got this huge box here from Amazon. This is a really big box. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. It has a couple of things inside of it. Let me hold it up a little bit so you can actually take a look, see in there. Yeah, it's got a couple of things in there. So now that we've got this box open here, let's go ahead and pull out the first thing that I bought. And this is a webcam. This is the C922 webcam. I purchased it off of Amazon. All these purchases were made off of Amazon. And I was trying to get sales. For this, I paid $80 roughly. And well, the price didn't go down any lower. I was hoping it would go down a bit lower, but it didn't. And I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and pick it on up. And well, I picked it up, and here we are now with a C922. I may end up doing reviews on these products in the future, so keep your eyes peeled. And also, if you see any of these and you're like, you know what, maybe I should pick it up, because the sale might still be going on usually until Christmas. If that's usually around the time that it goes until, well, I'll have a link in the description, which will be, there'll be Amazon affiliate links, and you'll be able to go right on over to the product, check it out, and if you want to pick it up, you can go ahead and do that. And it is an affiliate link, so it does support me, get a tiny commission from that, so just a heads up there. So yeah, here is our webcam. So along with that, in this box, I also have a microphone, and this is a blue microphone. Well, the microphone isn't blue, the microphone's black. You can see that. It's a blue microphone from the company Blue, and it is the Blue Snowball ice condenser microphone. For this, I got this for about, I believe, $49. Funny thing about this actually is that literally 1 to 2 days after I made my purchase, it ended up going on sale, and it was a $41.99 if I'm remembering right after that. And well, mine was still in the mail coming when I saw the price change, and I paid a few dollars more than that. I thought it was the lowest it was going to be when I purchased it. I didn't expect for the Monday they would have lowered it down. And well, yeah, I tried calling and seeing if they would do like a price difference thing, but unfortunately Amazon doesn't do that. Supposedly they used to do that in the past, but they stopped, which is kind of disappointing, because if you go on their site now, it's actually still being sold at that lower price of $41.99. So if you want to pick one of these up, now might be the best time, because of that sale that they've got going on. See, what happened is I actually contacted them when I noticed the price drop, and I asked them, like, hey, do you guys do a price difference kind of thing? Can I get the difference because the price went down? And they actually told me, they're like, yeah, we have a team that takes care of that, and after a few days they will automatically refund the difference on items that were purchased. And I was like, okay, cool. And he's like, if after 10 days you don't see a change, contact us again and we'll take care of it. So I actually contacted them again. I've had this for about a week now or two. It's been over 10 days. It's been about 13, 14 days now, I believe. And or a little more actually. And what happened was they said Amazon doesn't do anything of that sort, which was really strange because they had told me 10 days earlier when I contacted them that they do, and then next thing you know they're telling me they don't do anything like that. I felt really misled. Yeah. Little story there. But yeah, the Blue Snowball Ice Condenser Microphone. Get it now on sale for $41.99. And like I said, I did purchase all of these items myself. They're not sponsored. Like, none of this was given to me by a company for me to advertise or mention or any kind of product placement. This is all me. So yeah. So if I want to review it and I say something bad about it, I don't have to feel guilty that someone was like, hey man, we gave you this stuff for free and you're kind of just saying our product is terrible. I'm not saying it's terrible, I'm just saying, you know what I'm saying, right? Yeah, you know what I'm saying. Okay, so I have these two things here that I just showed you, the Logitech C922 and the Blue Snowball Ice Condenser Microphone, which is black. Oh, and also let me give you like a size comparison, like idea of how big this actually is, because it might be hard to tell. So this right here, side by side, okay. Okay, there we go. So you have an idea of just how big the microphone is, and if I turn it sideways, well, there you go. Now you have an idea of the size of these two things here. And that's not the end, actually. I have another item here which I purchased. This other one here I purchased mainly for me. I'm actually going to be using this, so let's go ahead and open it on up so you can see what it is. This right here, this is a capture card. Yes, I did pick up a new capture card. If you saw my video where I was making budget streaming suggestions for equipment, I mentioned my capture card. It's been a little funny the past couple of years, and I've had it for a long time. So to make up for that, I decided, I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and get a new capture card, just so that I don't really have that issue to worry about anymore. Now, it's always possible that as soon as I put this in, the same thing will happen. But fingers crossed that doesn't happen. Or it occasionally gives me like a little bit of an issue with working and I have to take it out and put it back in. So, yeah, this is the Live Gamer HD2, and it was one of my budget suggestions. So how's that for an honest suggestion right there, that I myself actually bought one of the things that I recommended, and I'm going to be using it from now on myself. Yeah. The Live Gamer HD2. So keep your eyes peeled for those reviews that'll be coming your way. And I've got a lot planned in the next few weeks here as we do finish up the year. So keep your eyes peeled for those videos. Those will be coming really soon. Now, with all that being said, I hope you enjoy your holidays that you do have coming up. Always appreciate it if you leave a like, because that helps us out with the whole algorithm thing on YouTube. And while commenting is cool too, let me know what you picked up for the holidays, the sales that they had going on. Did you snag any of the items that I mentioned? Were you able to score in any of the deals there? Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and try out my Live HD Gamer 2 here. Alright, I'm Wolfie, and I'll see you next time. Bye.